This is Tristan Jericho Manalo, and about the video that I watched about the foundation of PCCR, I have learned that PCCR has a many history, and it was made because to injustify people and to clear the crimes around this country. And it also helps that many students who are dreaming of being a future policeman or firefighter or others, this is the great school for them, and this school make us unique and strong and learn us how to be a valuable integrity person and a meaningful person with respect and serve to our country. The Philippine College of Criminology, also known as PCCR, was founded in 1954 and was included and built because this is the known school of criminology in the place of Manila, and this school is a very highly professional school which many learners will learn about criminology and law for their future self. Why does I choose PCCR? As for me as a student, in my opinion, I choose PCCR because this is the great school for me, especially that I like this course criminology, which can give me a good learning of this school and the valuable knowledge that I might have learned when it comes to criminology. And as for me, a Batang 641, I am proud for myself that I belong to this PCCR school as a college student first year, and this is my new opportunity to obtain my knowledge and gain some honor to myself and soon to lead country.